The word diva, from opera houses to pop culture. Imagine stepping into an opera house, the air thick with anticipation. Suddenly, a powerful voice fills the room, commanding attention and admiration. This is the essence of a diva, a word that has transcended its original meaning to become a part of our everyday vocabulary. Today, we will explore this fascinating term in depth, enhancing your understanding and usage for IELTS success. Word type. Diva is primarily used as a noun in English, meaning, at its core, a diva refers to a distinguished female opera singer. However, in modern usage, it has expanded to describe any famous female singer, particularly in popular music. The term can also be applied more broadly to any woman of outstanding talent in the world of entertainment. It is worth noting that diva has taken on an additional connotation, often used to describe someone who is temperamental, demanding, or difficult to please. Word history. The word diva has an intriguing etymology. It originates from the Italian language, where it literally means goddess. This Italian term, in turn, comes from the Latin word diva, the feminine form of divus, meaning divine or god. The evolution of this word reflects how exceptional female performers were elevated to an almost divine status in the world of opera and, later, in popular culture. Antonyms. While there is no direct antonym for diva in its primary meaning, we can consider some contrasting terms. These might include amateur, novice, or understudy when referring to the skill level. In terms of behavior, antonyms could include humble, modest, or unassuming, contrasting with the sometimes negative connotations of diva. Synonyms. Some synonyms for diva include prima donna, star, celebrity, and virtuoso. Each of these terms captures different aspects of what it means to be a diva, from exceptional talent to fame and sometimes difficult behavior. Examples used in sentences. The renowned soprano was hailed as the new diva of the opera world after her breathtaking performance. Despite her immense talent, her diva-like behavior backstage often caused tension within the cast. The young singer dreamed of becoming a pop diva with platinum albums and sold-out world tours. His refusal to compromise on quality earned him a reputation as the diva of the fashion design world. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using diva exclusively in a negative sense. While it can describe demanding behavior, it is important to remember its primary meaning of exceptional talent. Another error is applying the term diva to men. Although increasingly used in this way in casual speech, traditionally, the male equivalent is divo. Lastly, be cautious about overusing the term, as it can lose its impact if applied too liberally to anyone with a modicum of talent or fame. In mastering the word diva, you have added a nuanced term to your vocabulary arsenal. From its origins in Italian opera houses to its current use in popular culture, diva encapsulates the idea of exceptional female talent, often with a hint of temperamental behavior. Remember its various connotations and use it judiciously to demonstrate your advanced command of English vocabulary in your IELTS exam and beyond.